Hi, I'm Nick Lopez, the Director of Operations at Bubble Bath Car Wash in San Antonio with another Tip Tuesday. This one being a kind of an old car wash trip using pressurized air to clean the inside of your car. So when cleaning the inside of your car, it can be really tricky and challenging. While wiping down the dash and major surfaces is easy, getting in all the cracks and crevices, air vents in your car presents quite a bit of a challenge. We use here at the car wash pressurized air. This is regular compressed air from your home, and you can use it to blow all the dust out of your cracks and crevices as you wipe it down to really get a sharp and complete finish. Now this you can do at home, but here at the car wash we do provide free air for your own use should you wish to detail at this level. Thanks for watching. Please share any questions in the comments below. We are listening.